The monitor mix is important in enabling musicians on the stage to put on their best performance. In recent years, in addition to speakers such as wedges and side fills, in-ear monitors have come into mainstream use, and performers are demanding more from sound engineers and PA systems. All of the models in the TF series are equipped with 8 mono aux buses and 6 stereo auxes, for a total of 20 aux buses. The 8 mono auxes come with 4-band parametric EQ, the Flex 12 graphic EQ and compressor. The 6 stereo aux buses come with the parametric EQ, a compressor and an insert effect. You can select effect types such as reverb, delay and a multi-band compressor. For example, you could add reverb to the mix signal to be sent to the in-ear monitors, or control the dynamics with the multi-band compressor. The output preset library contains presets with EQ, compressor and effect settings for in-ear monitors. If you use Yamaha DXR speakers in monitor mode, the default output channel settings are ideal. Together with the TF series, Yamaha will release an app called Monitor Mix. It lets performers on stage use an iOS device to remotely control individual monitor mix balances for themselves. By using Monitor Mix, you'll be able to build a neat personal monitor system without the use of external equipment. We'll show it to you in detail in another video. But look out for Monitor Mix in Apple's App Store. It's free to download. Check it out to see how it's going to improve your workflow.